Okay, I haven't done a tutorial in a really long time. This is my art and bike stuff. This is my specialized Alley. I get a wide angle shot for you. These are my Schwabe Stelvios. And then right here I have a brand new pair of Continental Ultra Sports. Take the wide angle off. As you can see, I polished it up a ton. I'm putting new gear cables on it. Those are black. That's not rust, that's just dirt from riding. But I think it's actually tar that came up off the country roads. But that's the Hyperglide cables for my down tube shifters. I've been cleaning up the chrome. My Schwinn speed thermometer, a blinky light I just got. I got a light right there, the same light right there, but with the orange cap, Planet Bike. And then I got a Planet Bike Beamer 3 with my Schwinn bike computer on the front. All Shimano RX100 drivetrain and components. I have new Diamondback brake cables because that's all my LBS had, local bike store had, and I'll be putting them on probably tonight. All I did was cleaned out the old housing and put the new in because I only had like that much housing, and then only this much housing here. Probably like a total of 6 and 7 inches of housing on this whole bike, but I have 2 water bottle cages on it now. I have the Cannondale Coda Comfort with the SPG foam, a little ass saver I made. I've done a hell of a lot of cleaning, new chain, degreased everything, clean, took the rust off a lot of stuff. As you can see, I still have a lot of little details, like the bolts on some places, like right there, like that spring, I'm gonna eventually have to touch up. It's looking really ugly. But other than that, there's no paint damage, nothing at all, no chips, no bends, no dents. It's perfect. I did go ahead and put the original direct drive seat post from Specialized that came with it back on. It just looks way better, and I can get a better bike fit with this than my mountain bike seat posts that I only had until recently. Again, it's a 1993 Specialized Alley. I do have some bar tape. The vinyl tape is to put on here for I was reading on a forum and talking to people, and a lot of them like to put vinyl on, sticky vinyl like this, before they wrap it. And they were out of leather tan color, so I went ahead and got the red just to go all red out, red and black, like my mountain bike, my hardtail. I am running a 3953 in the front, and I believe a 1224 back. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, 1224 to sit on the back. As you can see, I got these new cables. They come all the way out to here still. All the way out to there. I haven't cut them yet because I've only found some crappy crimps. And I think I'm going to order some anodized aluminum red ones. I did make this hack off of some Google images on homemade bike racks for the wall. What it is it's one of them perfect pull-ups for the doorways, and I just took it apart and then I just torque screwed it into the studs on this wall. But I also got a new pump, floor pump. They have one down at the trailhead, but I decided to get this at Presta and Schrader. It's just a cheap $10 bill, but when I'm here at home working and don't feel like driving down to the trailhead just to air up a tire, I'll be able to do that now without my dryer going off. I love the beautiful parts of the lugs. I just wish that the lugs were chromed out, and no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it all original, except for, of course, some little components. But that's it for now. Right there is my next project bike. You guys may think it's whack, but it's a Huffy 626. I'm going to try to put some American bottom bracket bearings in it with the 3-piece. If not, I'll just go ahead and fix that one piece up, which I hate. The components on it are still nice and everything. Even the grip is still nice, but I don't like it. It's foam slide-on grip. It's a 12-speed. I think it's like a late 80s. If you know anything, it's a Huffy 626 made in Dayton, Ohio, which is very close to me. Probably about a 25-30 minute drive once I hit the highway. A little bit more of it. I've never seen these components though. I don't know if they're just some cheap old Shimano. That one right there is a Suntour, I believe, in the back. But that's the next project, and that's my baby, and my hardtail is put up in the bedroom. More to come. Keep watching, hit that like, thumbs up, peace out.